Hi, my name is Jonathan Miner. I'm an associate professor of political science at the University of North Georgia. We are a club and a class that operate every semester. We run the Model United Nations class in the fall, and we do conferences at the Southeast Regional Model United Nations in Atlanta in the fall and Charlotte in the spring.
My name is Madeline Gerald. I'm a junior at the University of North Georgia. Through the position papers, through all the public speaking trials and errors, I was able to successfully get my language and my resolution paper through, and it was the best feeling in the world, and I am very thankful for Model UN for giving it to me.
The purpose of Model UN is really to prepare students to one day when they're in the workplace, whether they're doing something in the State Department or whether they're working for a company, to be able to work with people that you disagree with, to be able to debate, to be able to negotiate with people. And we think that in Model United Nations, that we really kind of capture those skills.
My name is Peter Taylor. I'm an international relations major, and I've been in Model UN for 2 years. It kind of helps you get to have a different point of view, but also get to develop your own even more. And even though you're competing, you just get to meet people, and it's an incredible opportunity.
My name is Nathan Jones. I just finished my first conference with the Model United Nations, and in doing so, got to participate in the International Court of Justice. Working on the ICJ gave me very practical and hands-on experience into the issues that are troubling our world right now, like border disputes and issues of genocide around the world.
Before I got into the Model UN Club, I was not the best at public speaking. It was a real challenge for me, and going to the conference in Atlanta made me extremely nervous because I didn't think that I could do it. I had serious doubts about myself, but once I got into the club, into this amazing group of people, I realized that I could do it, and I ended up exceeding my expectations at the conference, and I really kind of found my voice in public speaking through this club.